This is the newly modernized elevator at the Hemlock building at Allegheny General Hospital in Northside, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. These are 90 these two are still original, are still running. These are 90 Schindlers. This one, center car, just finished getting a Schindler 6400 mod. Doesn't the records don't even say they haven't? Must have just happened. It's a peely door. It's a peely door. Up to 5. Tear it up. Doesn't say going up like it normally does. Car reader in it now.
Floor 5.
You hear the motor generator from the original cars.
Snap kit. Standard.
Is G locked now? Nope, it's open. It's a basic A-Gen cab, the newer cab they use for A-Gen. Snap cab.
Floor G.
Carburetor doesn't seem to do anything right now. That one's closing, and then this one goes, and it's gonna be it.